let's get straight to it. So here's just an example of a very basic web page which I made earlier for this tutorial. As you can see, I've typed up the bare bones of a HTML document. I've set the title as my web page. There's a H1 tag for the title of the web page, which is my website. I've then included 4 links for the home page, about page, gallery and contact pages. Then I've included a horizontal rule tag, a H2 tag saying welcome, like a subheading, and then 2 paragraphs, welcome to my first ever website and hope you like it. So it's just a very, very basic website template there. And as you can see then, when I open it in the browser, it's very, very basic. There is no styling at the moment. It's just very, very basic HTML, pure HTML. There's no CSS, there's no styling whatsoever. So now we're going to go to File and New, and we're going to save this now as, as you can see, I've already made a folder where I've stored index.html, folder that I named a website. I'm going to create a new folder in here called CSS, and in here, this is where we're going to save the file, and we're going to name it style.css, and save. This is where our CSS styling is going to go. So we're going to style the body first, and we're going to add a background for the body of a really light grey, very close to white, and we're going to add a font family of Arial. So this will set the font family for the whole web page, the whole document, to Arial. Then we're going to add some H1 styling, and we're going to change the font size to 18 pixels. Then we're going to add styling for the link tag, which is the A tag. We're going to add a colour of black, and we're going to add a text decoration of underline. And then for the link hover, A hover, we're going to add in a colour of black again, so that when one of the navigation links is hovered over by the user, it doesn't change colour. But we are going to add a text decoration of none, so that underline will disappear to show the user that they are hovering over that link. And then we're going to also style the H2 tag, and we're going to add a font size of 16 pixels for the H2, which is the subheading. And then finally the paragraph tag, we're going to give a font size of 14 pixels. So that's just some basic styling, kind of like an example of what you might of how you might choose to style a web page. So file, save, and now when we refresh in the browser, you will see that nothing has happened. And that is because we now need to link the CSS file, the style sheet, to the HTML document, the main web page. And to do this, we go in between the head tags, usually underneath the title tag, and we add a link tag. Link rel equals style sheet, href equals CSS, because that's the folder that we have stored the CSS file in, if you remember, and then style.css, that's the name of our CSS file. And then close it off with a / at the end of the link tag, and that's it. That's all you need to do. So file, save, and you'll now see that these two, when we refresh in the browser, these two files will now be linked. There we go. So now you can see that the CSS file has successfully linked to the HTML web page, and the styling has been implemented. And now it looks a lot more professional and a lot nicer. So that's just about it then for this tutorial. I hope it helped you out, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to share it. Don't forget to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified when I upload new tutorials in the future. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Bye guys.